Hello, I'm Dario and I will be showing you all features and benefits of the Ford Transit Connect panel van. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 points inspection by AA and it's covered by their warranty for 3 months, and you also get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. If you prefer to have an extended warranty or have unlimited call-outs for the roadside assistance, you can ask us here at the dealership. The paint of the vehicle is also protected by a triple layer of Gardex Nano Coat, which will make sure this magnetic grey will be protected from tree sap, acidity, rain and anything else. This specific model comes in the Trend trim, which comes with the fog lights as standard, but is also fitted with a couple of extras, like the 16 inches alloys, painted in silver. You also have power fold mirrors, which are color coded and they're also heated. Going to the back, you have the fuel cap for the diesel and the AdBlue. On the rear, you got standard barn style doors, but this vehicle as an extra is also fitted with a rear view camera. And then you have the parking sensors for the park pilot function of the Ford. And then you have the sliding door on the left. The trim on the sides is also color coded. Let's take a look at the cargo bay now. The cargo hold is fully lined, and as you can see, you have wood ply lining on the doors and on the sides, on the wheel arch as well. And this particular exemplar is also fitted with shelves. These are 20 centimeter deep and they span 170 centimeters in length. Then you have a width in between the wheel arches, which are quite flush, of 118 centimeters. A height to the lowest point of the roof, being the middle rib, of 121 centimeters. And then you have 196 centimeters of depth on the floor. You have 6 attachment points to secure the heaviest cargo. The full metal bulkhead, it's got glazing on top, and you also have a hatch on the bottom left, which extends the cargo hold by 48 centimeters into the cabin. Let's take a look at the cabin now. Once you get into the cabin, you can notice on the door card you have a massive storage unit at the bottom, power mirrors and power window control, plus the central locking unit. And then you have a 3 seats configuration with a 2-seat bench for the passengers and a fully independent and adjustable driver's seat. The finish is in fabric in charcoal color with contrast stitching in silver. Once you get in, you have more storage solutions on top of the dashboard. And then once you take possession of the driver's seat, you can notice you got a full digital and analog cluster with a color screen in the middle, which can be customized and is multifunction. You can even get the compass from the navigation system or any other controls and the settings for the vehicle. On the steering wheel, you have the classic stalk for the blinkers, controls for the infotainment unit and the trip computer, cruise control settings, infotainment and voice commands on the right, the wiper stalk, and you have settings for the light over here, which are also automatic. You can adjust the height of the beam through this knob over here. And then you have dimming controls for the cabin lights, fog lights control and rear fog lights. The vehicle is fitted with keyless ignition. And as I mentioned, while this is a Trend trim, it's actually fitted with some extras. For example, you have the optional ICE pack, which grants you the sync-free system. This one is also fitted with navigation other than Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality. Underneath, you have a QI wireless charging shelf for any phone that is compatible both with QI charging or MagSafe. Underneath, you have the controls for the AC, plus the quick defrost of the windshield, which is electric, doesn't require the AC to be on. The heated mirror setting, and the driver's seat is also heated with free stage selector. This model is with the automatic transmission. It's a 6-gear automatic, which also has Tiptronic functionality. And these are the features and benefits of the Ford Transit Connect panel van in Trent trim. For any inquiries, feel free to call us.